Everyone, Paul here. Today I'm going to give you guys since it's Sunday and tomorrow the stock market opens, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on, I'm probably not going to do any calls or puts, but I'm going to show you the stocks I look at and the strategy I do every time stock market opens. So this works. This strategy is really effective. I talked about it in my last video. It'll work for crypto too. The only difference is when with stocks and you're doing options, you can you can make money on it going up and you can make money it going down. It won't work with crypto when it's going down because you'll lose money. But this works really well for stocks. So I'm first going to show you the strategy, and that's basically what I recommend is having your EMAs, the 13 and the 48, and the relative strength index. So what the strategy is, you look at you look at your RSI. Well, the first thing you want to take note at is are the EMAs crossing, and if it's crossing up, it usually means a uptrend. If the EMAs are going down, like you see right here, this right here, and I have always trade only on the day, which means I'm not. This is only I only do this when these things are present to me is when I see this. You would most of this you would have to wait maybe a month and a half before you see these indications to do it. It's not an everyday thing. There's a certain time that the indicators have to be showing a certain thing for me to do calls and puts or for me to go do options. But you see right here that the EMAs are crossing. It's crossing up. This is an indication to me that it's going to go up. So this is a big, for SPY, this is a big plus for me. So for doing options, when you see the lines going, when you see it, them kissing in it going up, that's an indication for an uptrend. The last time that happened was right here. You see it doing the opposite of it going down. So look for that in the EMAs, and you might be waiting a long time for that. Between both of these, between the both of these, it has been about 100 days. It has been 100 days since the downtrend to it going back up. So like I said, this is gonna you have to wait a while for this strategy. It's not going to happen every week. You may get lucky. But anyway, first thing I look for is the EMAs. The next thing I look for is I look at the RSI. I look for the RSI. And I do my moves two times. Basically, if the RSI is all the way at the top, now this has to be as close to the top as it can get. So what happens? Well, let's look at another example further about here. Let's look for the RSI. It's either all the way at the top or all the way at the bottom. I personally like doing it when it's all the way at the bottom. Okay, you see this one. You see the red RSI right here. The red RSI is all the way at the bottom. So this is a good point to do this right here, this moment, because we look at the RSI, it's really close to the bottom here. So I would personally do a call at this point, and I would predict that the price is going to go up, which it does. It goes up from here. So we see if we did an option and we did a call right here, this is 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 6 days, 7 days right here. So if we look on the bottom right here, we see that the price goes from 388 to 403. That is a jump of like $10 or so, $12. So that move in the next 5 days will be massive gains. I don't really know. I think it's $40 for every dollar difference that it is. So I think this is a $400 move right here. So works like that when it's down, when the RSI is down. It also does it when it's at the top. So let's just find one when it's at the top right here. Now this is another example of when I would come in. We look right here. We see that the purple line of the RSI is all at the top. So I would put in a put at this point because we know the price starts going down. The price starts going down, so you'll get gains right there. So anyway, this is just what I do. I follow these strategies. This is a very part-time strategy. You just have to have a little bit of money saved. You got to catch the moments the RSI is either all over the top or all over the bottom. When you do, you'll usually make some pretty good gains. So anyway, if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.